Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect donations in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday application, which of course I've done right here. The next one is, how can you get the Heyday app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the Heyday app, it's going to take you right to the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, after installing successfully or after creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So another here is going to help in today's text, and that is how to collect donations in Heyday. Donations are an amazing part of the game process. Let's say you requested donations and you want to pick up the donation on Heyday. Here is exactly what you can do to pick up your donations on Heyday. So here is the farm, right? This is where you can pick up your donations. So right here, the farmhouse is brand house, and you have that thing there, the thing that looks like a grass stuff. So this is a neighborhood, and that's neighborhood patio that is beautifully designed there. This is where all your donations are going to be kept. So neighborhood trading unlocks at level 12. So it means you cannot be able to request a donation if you have not gotten to level 12. So once you get to level 12 and you click on that, then you'll be able to request donations, and all your donations are going to be deposited here. Then you'll be able to just click on it manually and obtain your donations. But I'm just going to walk you through some kind of tips that will be helpful to explain it better. Now, request from or donate to your neighbors and check your own and your neighbor's request. To request items, simply tap the request board, which I showed you, that brown board, and select the request button. So once you click on that at level 12, you're going to see the request button. So click on the request button and request a donation, and say, if you are trying to make a new request, remember to pick up items donated by your neighbors from the neighborhood patio, which I showed you, and it's a beautifully paved courtyard next to the neighborhood house. That beautiful courtyard, just go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to obtain your donation. So keep track of all your neighbors' donation and request stats from the previous week. Your neighborhood can even earn different generosity titles based on your statistics. And if you change neighborhood, your donation and request statistics from previous neighborhood will be recorded. However, as usual, they'll be refreshed when the week is up. So that's it. So just go over to that patio, make your request, and after making your request, check back there to see if your donations are there. So just click on that more. So once they have been delivered, so click on the goods or click on anything that you requested, click on your donation, and you'll be able to obtain it manually. That's how to collect donations in Heyday. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.